Hi, first grade writers. Today in writing, you get to work on whatever it is that your book needs. So you're going to spend the whole 30 to 45 minutes of writing workshop today really working on just what your book needs. So maybe you're not done even writing your story yet. That's what you're going to do. Maybe you have a couple of chapters that only have one, maybe two sentences on them. You're going to go back and add some more details to really explain what it is that you wanted to say. Maybe you're going to make some comparisons like we learned about earlier, or maybe you want to write some twin sentences. Maybe your book needs to have some more editing done to it. So maybe you need to go back and look for capital letters that are in the wrong spots. Maybe you have some capital letters in the middle of your words and you need to make them lowercase. Or maybe your sentences don't begin with a capital letter and that's what you need to focus on. Maybe it's punctuation or spelling your snap words correctly. So today, you might even go ahead and go back to that introduction and make it even better. Today, you're going to really focus on finishing up this book that you've worked really hard on, because next week we're going to start a new nonfiction book. Okay, think to yourself, make a plan. What is it that I'm going to do today? Are you going to work on your introduction? Maybe you have some chapters that need to be finished. Maybe your illustrations aren't done. Maybe you have some editing to do. So make a plan first and then off you go.